Welcome to Dhyan Yogi Motivation. The importance of dignity and self-worth over effort. According to the video, making external effort that develop yourself completely just please someone does not generate attract or respect. Excessive pleasing behavior make the person look weak and overly depend. Attraction and respect depend to the quality of your life, how firm you are, our principle. Thanks, Yogi. 3 question. First question, am I dependent on someone else validation or attention for my happiness and self-worth? Second question, when adverse circumstance or emotional storm arise, do I react immediately with panic or remain calm and choose the right action? Question third, do I have the courage to stay no to bad behavior or situation, or do I just accept everything out of loneliness, fear of losing out? Please comment. Friend, welcome to Dhyan Yogi Motivation. Woman who met you with equally energy, honesty, and effort. That's when earning you look like, because a woman can like you. She can be attract to you, but if she didn't have bring anything to table to keep you, she won't see as a high value man. She will see you as someone hoping to be chosen, and the moment you start hoping to be a chosen, you lose your edge. A man who knows worth doesn't chase affection, he doesn't prove himself. He loads women revival themselves through their investment, through how they treat this time, through how considerate they are, through what they offer without being asked. And when a woman earns access to that man, she value him, she respect him because she worked for it, because she felt the cost of getting close to him. This is why casual find fade so quickly. There's no process, no tension, no building, just easy access. And with easy access comes fast burnout. But when a woman sinks self that is not tossed around, that it has to be earned away curses, she wonder what is about this man that makes him grounded in his value. That's when attraction depends not just in her body but in her mind. Stoicism makes this hard. A stoic man doesn't chase pleasure of people. He knows his peace comes from within. He doesn't seek validation or hand out his presence like candy. He moves with intention, and intention draws people in slowly, powerful irascibility. Comment below. I felt that if you ever given too much too soon, and watch. I pull away. It painful wake up, but also a necessary one, because know you get to flip the dynamic. You stop being the guy who overgives and start being The man who sets the bar, not to play game, not to prove anything, but because you finally understand that your value isn't something to be handed over. It's something to be met, and if she's not ready to meet you there, you don't lower yourself to keep her instead. You rise and see either rise with you or fades quietly behind you. Number 10. Emotional detachment is your superpower. Yeah, emotional detachment is your most. Let's end this with one of the most misunderstood and most powerful strength. Men can develop emotional detachment. No, I know what you are thinking. Doesn't that make me cold, unfeeling, distant number? Note it. You understand it the right way. Emotion detachment isn't about shutting down. It's not turning into some robotic stone faced. Are you understand? Monk. That not stand. That's avoidance. Real detachment is someone else entirely. Its ability to feel deeply without being ruled by that, by what you feel. It's the power of stay grounded even when emotions are running high, especially in relationship, especially when in heart and yes, especially when it come to her because here's what most men don't realize the more emotionally hooked you are on her reactions, her attention, her validation, the more control she has over you, the more you respond to ever silence, ever mood swing, every we need to talk to more your center shifts. You stop loading, you start chasing, you stop standing in your frame, you start sprawling in her world. And that right there is where most good men power. Emotional detachment give you the power back. It allow you to pause instead of panic, to sit with discomfort without needing to fix it. You watch her pull away and not cold inside to face rejection, ghosting, hot and cold behavior and not lose yourself in it. It's what makes you underprotectable, not because you are playing game, but because you are not emotionally dependent and emotionally independent. That's magnetic. Here's the paradox. The men who need her love to feel whole will never get her full respect, but men who need to love. But men can walk away. You value his peace above her approval is the one she can't stop thinking about. That's what stoicism train you for, not numbness, strength. Detachment means you observe your own emotions without letting them run your life. It made you acknowledge the pain, the functions, and but you don't act on it like puppet on steering. You choose your moves, and in a world where most people are reacting consistently, a man focused, immovable, that's man she respect. That's man she follows. But here's the trick. Emotional detachment isn't built overnight. It's trained every time you don't text back just to get a reaction. You are training every time you sit with discomfort instead demanding instant revolutions. You are separating the edge. Every time you let what have space without being shrink, you are becoming dangerous in the best possible way. दोस्तों हमारी यह वीडियो आप हिंदी में भी देख सकते हैं योगी मोटिवेशन की प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर, बिकॉज नो या can't manipulate you with silence withdrawal. She can't push your buttons because you are taken them off the table. Withdrawal. You are in control. Comment below. I want this. You are done letting your emotion get played and you ready to build something deeper than reaction. Because the moment you become emotionally independent, everything shifts. Know when she texts you, respond from choice, not need. Know when she's distance, you stay centered, not frantic. Now, when things get rocky, you are anchor, and she feel that in her body, in her breath, in how she look at you differently. Because emotional detachment isn't a wall; it is a throne. You don't need to project yourself from her. You need to project your peace from your own weakness. You need to choose stillness over drama. Clearly overchoose yourself over the temporary high to being wanted by someone who does truly see your worth. That's what make you elite. So no, you are not too cold. You are just too grounded to be thrown around anymore. And that's your superpower. Use it. You made it to the end. That alone tells me something. You are not here for quick trick. You are here to absorb at the core of all the emotion, detachment, boundaries, presence. It's not about woman. It's about you, the man you choose to be when no one's clapping, when she pull away, when life doesn't hand you what you want. That's clapping when she pull away, where real masculinity gets formed. So if you are ready to build this version yourself, not just talk about it. This channel is where it happen, and subscribe, join brotherhood. And if you are serious about living up your mindset, present and power, join our stoic member community. Join our Dhyan Yogi motivation community. Go and deeper. No fluff, no distraction. Just men doing the real inner worth. Thanks for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Until then, stay calm. Thanks for watching. Love you all, friend. Stay dangerous and never hand your power to anyone. Are you understand? Please comment below. To be continued.
शांति कोई बाहरी खोज नहीं है, यह आपके भीतर की यात्रा है। जिसे आप बाहर ढूंढते हैं वह सिर्फ एक भ्रम है। अपने अंतर मन में उतरें और अनंत शांति को पाएं। ध्यान योगी।
द्वारिकाधीश इलेक्ट्रिक एंड पावर टूल्स, फतेहनगर, वार्ड 14।
बहुत बड़ी, शाबाश बेटा।